Alright, so yeah, got nagged that. Fell asleep, I got nagged that. So it's now 9:20, yeah. So I have less than 2 hours to assemble this thing, get it to working order, and then set it up, and then do a stream. Well, okay, maybe I can stretch time a bit. After all, tomorrow's a Saturday. I can stream any time as long as it's still early and I don't keep it down. So yeah, but yeah, let's see how long it takes to fix this. Alright, let's get started. Let's see. Alright, what was I supposed to do? Right. So this is our new motherboard and GPU. We'll be switching to a Aorus Gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. The primary GPU remains the Asus, but yeah, secondary GPU is now Gigabyte Radeon 64. They say this one runs a bit hot, so I have to be careful with this. Yeah, I think this will be okay. It'll be running in the secondary slot, and as we know, yeah, Crossfire does jack shit in most cases, so right. This will be running in secondary slot. I'll get a new cooler for CPU, Master Fan 62OP. MA62OP with RGB. Yeah, so alright. Everything else will be the same. So right. Let's get started. And by started I mean yank the 1.2 kilowatt power supply out of the Red Dead Revenger, because we'll need that. Okay, so Red Dead Revenger's HX1200 box is right here, conveniently in a grasp. Oops, can't come in. You know, I'm not sure which one this belongs to. Either the Red Dead Revengers or the Red Dead Ravager version 2, Red Dead Rebirth. So yeah, yeah. I think most of the cables should be in here, and we don't need the rest anyway. So. Well, got some SATAs in here, so yeah, I think the rest is in here. I think it's good. I think we're good. Okay. Getting the HX1200 out is not a walk in the park, because we have 3 GPUs and 1 sound card to contend with. And the biggest kick is, we're also going to reuse the sound card, so yeah, sucks to be me. Okay. So right. To be able to extract the power supply, I need to get all the GPUs out. This is going to I may want to reuse this fan, so I'll take this off. So yeah, am I running out of footage? Running out of storage? I don't know, I should have emptied the camera too, shouldn't I? Right, I'll check my footage after I remove the power supply. So my storage remaining after I remove the power supply. So right, okay, yeah, turn this off. There, power supply is out, kinda. To the back, we'll detach the other SATA cables. What if it's because I ran out of battery storage? Ran out of storage on the camera card. Yeah, and link this to the SATA. Inside here, which was my first SATA card in there, so yeah, that one's out. Okay. Alright. So yeah, the last three cables are the main PSU 12 volts, and yeah, main PSU 12 volt and the EPS. Yeah. All right. Clear. So yeah. Boy. Clear. And yeah, I want this fan. It doesn't light up or anything, but yeah, useful. So yeah, that's done. So this is now dead, and that's 3. I think I'll scavenge the hard drive later. Actually, I do plan to reuse the hard drive from this one as well, but that's for another story. As well as the sound blaster. Especially as well as the sound blaster, But yeah, that's for another day. This is a Lencool PC. Remember back when Lencool was more than just a model number and it was a brand? It was a sub-brand by Lian Li. Yeah, I remember. So, right. Pretty much done the computer in. We don't need any of these. But the sling fan, I'm very inclined to use it, so yeah. Alright, this on top here first. Because this one from this computer, I have to put it up there so I can remember. And now, yeah, fan fitting time. So, alright, plan of action. We have a standard master fan. Oops. Shit. Alright, so yeah, I broke the box. I messed up. Anyways, yeah, plan of action. This is a master fan RGB. This is a standard RGB master fan, so it'll be in the center. Like that. Alright, so hey, and then the other two are ARGB master fans. So the other two are ARGB master fans. So I have one pin locked off. So yeah, ARGB master fan should be from the bottom and the top. So right, plan is I have RGB master fans sandwiched between two ARGB master fans. Right, so let's get to it. Take this off. Alright, so about this case, it's advisable that the front is that we do the front first before you attach any extra fans to the side, because once you start attaching the fan screw to the sides, you have problem accessing the screw on the front. So yeah. Alright, case seems to be bowing a bit. Let's see. Screw this so that it's straightened. And I re-screw. Yeah. Maybe not too tight. Yeah. There, it's not bowing anymore. I think it's because I had it on too tight, so. Yeah. There, okay. It's going because I had it on too tight, but yeah. Nah, it's not going anymore, I guess. Right. Right, the last fan is supposed to be ARG, another ARGB, so right. Okay. There's actually space for fourth fan, but yeah, it involves not using any of these. So it gets obstructed by the panel, so there's no real point in actually installing a fourth fan. Wait, so now. Oh, this also. This. Oh, this. Okay. Yeah, I think this will work. Yeah. The last one, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. I wonder if you can fit a fourth fan in here. Let me try this. Yeah, it's tight fit, but yeah, if you really want to, you could. Why would you, right? If you really want to, you could, but why would you? Okay, so yeah, I think this is the 3 fans for the front. The bottom fan. I think they use this for the bottom fan. Oh, enough to reach the GPU? Yes, it is. I think they use this for the bottom fan, but yeah. Yeah, this works. This works remarkably. Slim fan works remarkably well as a bottom fan. So yeah, we're gonna do it this way. Just use these short screws as the non-light for the non-lighted fan for the slim fan. They don't make these anymore. Literally, Codemaster hasn't made any slim fan in ages. There's one more company that makes them. I forgot what it's called at this moment, but yeah, ID Cooling. The only company that makes slim fan now, ID Cooling. So yeah. Sadly, I don't have any ID Cooling slim fans in stock at the moment. But yeah, I ought to order some extras to keep for my 570 build in case I need one or two. Alright, the wind will blow upwards. Blow in. This one's not going to help much, but hey, it's for the GPU. Right, so don't know if the GPU will reach, but I have a hunch it will. So yeah. Or alternatively, it goes to the motherboard from the bottom. So right, maybe screwing it. Why did I screw it this way, 90 degrees out? What the heck am I doing? Alright. This one on the inside. Thinking twice, I think this will hook to the motherboard's bottom. There's another one on the back here that's unusable for most of the cables on the front, so yeah. So, right. Let's hook down to the bottom here. Just the one to the bottom. So the GPU we have two. This one coming here, this one. Right. Alright, for the rear fan, that's simple. I already have my mind set on this since yesterday, so I'll be using the Jet Flow white. Reason being because, well, it's not going to connect to anything, so yeah. And I want to have a good view on the back, so white is usually the best way to go. Wipe all the dirt away from the fan. Funnily enough, all of them gathered inside underneath. Off. Yeah, it's in. So I'll just slip this to the top here first. I don't need this right now, so I'll just slip this out the top for the moment. Yeah. Okay. Right. I think that's all there is for the fans at the moment. I think I'll just attach any other fans as I need to go along. Okay, next up, GPU, the motherboard. Oh boy, I've been dragging. Hold on, wait. Should I do the fan? Finish the fan? Let's see, I need 1, 2. Yeah, there's 3 fans to the front. So, alright. 1 to the GPUs. 1 to the GPUs. 1 to the CPU. Okay, you know what? I think I just installed the 2 fans in front first. Just in case I need them. Alright, so first one. Just push this out. Just remove this. Okay. Cable out, and yeah. This one back. I don't know what good this one's going to do anyway. It'll be obstructed by a metal plate, so yeah, this is going to be a very noisy fan, I guess. I wonder why they didn't have a hole here in the second one. But right, this fan is going to be as useless as God knows what. But well, if it's going to be powered by the GPU, I guess it's not worth making noise over, I guess. Alright, this is done. Just screw this in first. If we need extra fans, then we'll do it later. I think I'll stop here for a while. I'm tired of the fans already, so I'll revisit this later. Right now I want to work on the motherboard, so yeah. Alright. The RGB cables are in. so I can seal the front. Alright, so I can seal the front, and yeah. Okay. I want to seal the front and cover the back. Cover the back first. Cover the back first because okay, the one when I find a hole. You know what? Never mind. Just leave it that way. And then the front cover. And now we're going to work on the motherboard. So yeah, motherboard. X430 Aorus Gaming Wi-Fi. Decent board from Gigabyte, I guess. So, right. I already took a lot of measurement. I already opened some of the packages yesterday, do some measuring, and yeah, they're fine, they fit. So SATA cables, antenna, I need this, but SATA cables, I'll just put the SATA cables aside. I don't need this. Okay, and with E-standoffs and screws, I'll definitely need this. So right. Yeah, I'm going to do this flat on the surface. Oh man, it's tape. Right? This touch metal. Okay, so no back bracket. That's weird. Wait, no back bracket? Oh, okay, back bracket. Okay, so yeah. Alright, no back bracket. Oh, I should put it like that, shouldn't I? There. Okay, this is 5 pounds. I have one more standoff in need, but I'll just need to get the standoff from the screw back later. But yeah, right. First thing first, CPU. I'll take this forward facing me, up, and CPU. Oh, why I need this CPU, right. I put it in this box, I know, but yeah, I want to be as clean as possible. So, okay. So right. So I can easy access. Oh god, my hands are shivery. That's not good. Tired, I guess. So. Never mind, it's in. Check. Yes, in. Confirm. Make sure it's in for sure. Then lower the cap. Right, so there's a dot here, still a bit of old, the old tunnel paste there. Right, so that does it. I need tunnel paste now. Okay, let's CPU in. Now, how do you install the heatsink? I'll do the NVMe first. Hold on. I'm going to do the NVMe first. Do the NVMe first, so. Right, I need my screwdriver. Hold on. You know, this dot here, so I'll get rid of it. There. That should do it, I guess. I can't get rid of it completely, but. Boy. Totally coated internal paste. Screwdriver head, totally coated internal paste. Ah, that's fine. Just put it in here and turn. It should come right off. And yeah. And the bracket should come right off with it. Okay, so they come with one of those fancy schmancy heat sinks. Yeah. That's where the packet earlier, that's where the pack of screws we took out earlier come in handy, I guess. I can remember where I put it. Yeah, that's right. First thing first, we have to put the heatsink down. The turn off down. This is the 80 mm. We'll just wipe this off, but yeah, it's dirty. Oh, right. This is 80 mm, so don't really need this if you're installing an extra large, but yes, it stands. I'm installing regular size, so yeah. Just double check. Yes, in. Alright. So now the hard part. This is the Samsung. Okay. As you recall, I put the Samsung in the WD box because why not? So yeah. Yeah, it's upside down, so right. It'll come up like that. So I'll take it like that. Sideways, hold it straight. I'm not supposed to do this actually. I'm not sure why I'm doing this right now, but yeah. I'm sure I'm doing it like that, but yeah. This is in. So that's the other pack, the screw with the small screw, right. Now the headache starts. Okay. But we all know where this is going to end. Cut it. Right, that's in. Looks straight. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and tear this off and I put it back in. It's off. Put this in, and yeah. So it doesn't look like it's going down, but well, I think it went down. I think it went down. Alright. There. I think this went in. So yeah. That's on. Now the XPG. Not sure if I want to put the XPG in or I want to put another drive, because as I found out, here's the gist of this design, of Gigabyte's design. This NVMe slot is shared with this. It's only PCIe 2. So yeah, on the plus side it's clean, on the minus side it only runs at PCIe 2 speeds. And M2, if we put in this stick, it only runs half speed. So you're better off putting in a same as you're better putting in an NVMe 1.3 stick so that it runs at the same speed. That's what I'm going to do right now. Hold on. I have another WD black box weird. How many WD black PCIe did I buy? But this one contains a real WD, so yeah. This really contains a WD. It's a 250 Go. Right. Oh, this is blank. This is new. Shit, son. This is new. I'm gonna waste a whole new stick on this. It's different packaging too. Ah well. This was only going to run half speed, but half speed equals to the same as PCIe 3 120. Plus, it's also twice the size, so I can catch twice as much data. But I think it's actually a necessity nowadays. So yeah. Alright, there's one fan here. There's another fan here though, funnily enough. It's as if they expect the motherboard to have, the rear case to have two fans. But yeah. There's one fan down here. Get the heatsink on now. I wonder how to install the heatsink because I didn't read the instructions yet. Uh-oh. Right. Boy. Half of me is actually quite afraid and I want to go back to the other mat to use the stock heatsink, but on the other hand, yeah, half of me wants something better. So, okay, what do we have in here? What's this? Some brackets, extension cables. Oh, RGB splitters. These RGB splitters? Yes, RGB splitter. Huh? Splitters? Why? Fan splitter, I don't need that. Mounting brackets. I think I need this. Definitely need this. So, here's the tough part. Do it wrong and fuck up the board. So, yeah. This should be the AMD mounting. Intel, AMD. AMD. I wonder how this works. Right. So, I'm going to the instruction manual. Okay. Fan is here, the RGBs. This is the tool fan, but oh, you could be fucking kidding me, man. Oh wait, no, this is right. Mini RGB, that's right. That's fine. I can use this. This is good. Alright. So instructions manual. That's the instructions manual. Is there any instructions manual in here? Oh, there. Right, so very warm. Intel and AMD. How about AMD? M4, M3, M4, M3, M2. Install plastic caps. Install plastic caps over the Intel cups like this. Why is it the other way around? Like this. Yeah, it should be like this, the other way around. That's the cap over the Intel cusps. Making one if I should go and buy SE-AM4 and the AM4 motherboard clasp from the back. I'm not sure, just do this after I install the motherboard into case, because you know, it'll be much easier. You have the back bracket and all, but on the other hand, yeah. This side, this here. Add a third fan, so why not? Okay, so I think these are for Intel, so yeah. These are for AMD, so yeah. I didn't say, but the instruction says to apply. These are AMD ones, so. Alright. Oh wow. I'm confused. Instruction says next. Right. In the AMD screw, put in the AMD standoff and lock it in place. Yeah, if I can find which is I. This is the standoffs. Nuts? Do they mean the nuts? Do they mean these? There's 4 of these. Do they mean these? I don't know, I'm confused. I think it's these. Oops. I think it's these. Okay. You mean these. Next. Put empty caps. How does this go in? I don't get it. I'm a bit confused. Instruction isn't clear. So yeah. Hold on. So this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm actually kind of afraid. Oh, let's see. MDM4. Closer to the Intel side is M4, so yeah. Alright, so it should be, this side should be M4. Alright. And then slide this in. So how the heck this works the M4. It's like that. Well, making progress. Alright. Hope I got it right. Because I really don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Never used custom third-party cooling of this kind before. The last third-party cooling I used was the single type, so alright, so yeah. The last time I used a third-party cooling that requires the assembly of changing the retention brackets, yeah, built right into it was by AMD themselves, so alright, like that. Looks legit. Bit afraid though of these. Can I cover these up? No, you can't. You can't cover these up. Maybe you can, but yeah. Bit afraid, so yeah, you can cover these up, so yeah. Maybe not. Maybe I won't. Right, so now the hard part. Remove the old retention bracket. God help me. I've never done this before. install the RAM first, because apparently once you install the fan, the RAMs are out of SS. So yeah. Oh, these are two-sided slots. I like Asus. Right now, these things are RAM is still barely accessible, but yeah. Box. Right now, RAM is still barely accessible, but yeah. Once the fan goes in, all bets are off. So, right. I don't want to go red, white this time. Because I can. Alright, so now to get the fans back. Alright, so this is a nightmare. Alright, so... Yeah. So this is the RGB, goes around the back. Go around the back. And this one to the RGB CPU main. Yeah. Okay. This is going to get in the way of installing the screwdriver later. And then RGB is which way instructions. No indication. That's nice. Where's the damn manual? Okay. At this point, I don't know anymore. Alright, so about 2 hours later, I finally managed to find the standoff, and yeah, I finally installed the motherboard. Ah, boy, this thing is a pain in the ass. I don't want to do this ever again. So yeah, now I'm tightening up the screws. Okay, I'll see if I can make it stand down and do recording again. Let's get the thing working, so... Yeah, alright. So yeah, got the case, got the stand off, got the final stand off. I think it's in place. Screw down. There we go. Never want to do that ever again. Right. So for the stand, hook it up to the first pin. So yeah, motherboard is in, power supply is in. So fan headers. This one to over here, sneaking by the side. This one to this extension. Clean. Wow. I don't know, I'm really kind of afraid. So yeah, the red case comes up. That doesn't clean properly, so it comes off. Now you just set it back in here and we can start wiring the fan up. Now ARG. However, for the connection it's a bit trickier because yeah, this is a mini pin, so we have a special adapter cable here. I'm not even sure I'm in frame. This is harder to use than the other one. So recording if recording? Yes, recording. So yeah, it's in frame. Not very good in frame, but in frame. Move this out of the way. Right, so ARGB one. We have to use the extension cable because this is not a. Oh, that's nice. It doesn't have a marking to see which is which. I assume grey is black is ground. So V black DG. I don't know. Don't really have a multimeter. Multimeter's dead, I think. Yeah, multimeter's dead. So this is tough. I forgot to check which is V, which is D, which is G. Well, you know, guess black is G, but yeah, I'm gonna have to check. Hold on. Okay, so I did continuity testing, and yeah, it turns out that I'm right. The black cable is ground, so at least they didn't half-ass this. Okay, so G, so blue is V. Okay, at least they didn't half-ass this. I'll just pull to the out, pull this one out, and then on the other side, yeah, plug it in. So this one's done. Okay, yeah, so I think I better white hide this together on the other chance. So. Okay, so I'm satisfied. I'm going to call it a night. I'm not sure if this thing will boot, but yeah, God help me. I'm not filming the case, but yeah. Is this good? Oh, it's rivets. Oh yeah, God help me. Fatigued right now. Alright, so this one can come in last. This one can only come in last. But yeah, I think we're already there. Already almost there. Everything else is already in place, so yeah.